Welcome to my Chan Anyhow English Academy. The Unhappy Crow and His Ugly Feather. Once upon a time, in a vibrant forest filled with all kinds of colorful birds, there lived a crow named Cole. Unlike his bright and colorful neighbors, the brilliant peacocks, the shimmering hummingbirds, and the elegant parrots, Cole's feathers were jet black and plain. But what bothered him most wasn't the color of his feathers, it was one ugly, scraggly feather that stuck out awkwardly from his wing. Every day, Cole would look at his reflection in the calm waters of the forest pond and sigh. "Why'd I have to look like this? Why can't I be as beautiful as the others?" he grumbled. The more he focused on the single ugly feather, the more he convinced himself that it was ruining his life. One day, Cole decided to do something about it. "If I can't be beautiful, I might as well not show myself at all," he declared. So, he flew away from the lively forest and settled on a quiet, lonely tree far away from the other birds. Days turned into weeks, and Cole began to feel the weight of solitude. He missed the cheerful chirping, the flutter of wings, and even the teasing remarks from the sparrows. But he refused to go back, ashamed of his appearance. One sunny morning, a cheerful robin named Ruby spotted Cole sitting sadly on his branch. Curious, she flew over to him. "Hello, stranger. Why are you all alone up here?" Cole hesitated but eventually confessed. "I'm ugly. My feathers are plain, and this one," he said, pointing to the scraggly feather, "makes me look ridiculous. I don't belong with the others." Ruby chuckled warmly. "Oh, Cole, you're looking at it all wrong. That feather is part of who you are. Do you think I worry about my small size or my plain wings compared to a peacock? No way. I love being a robin because it makes me unique." Cole was unconvinced but appreciated Ruby's kind words. To his surprise, she returned the next day, bringing other birds along. They chatted, sang songs, and played games. Slowly, Cole began to laugh and enjoy himself again. One day, as they all gathered by the pond, Ruby said, "Cole, look at your reflection. Not just the feather, but all of you. You're strong, you can fly high, and you're a part of this beautiful world. That feather is a reminder that imperfections are what make us interesting." For the first time, Cole saw beyond his ugly feather. He saw a brave, unique crow who had friends that cared about him. His feather didn't seem so bad anymore, in fact, it felt like a badge of individuality. From that day on, Cole stopped worrying about his looks. He returned to the lively forest and embraced his life with joy. And though his scraggly feather remained, it became a part of the many stories he shared with his friends. Moral: embrace your imperfections. They make you uniquely you.